everybody, it's Irene here from Hijinks Studios. Welcome back, or if you're new, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to do a dolphin, and we're going to do a dirty pour over our dolphin. So I've got my cup to add my colours. Stay there. And the first colour I'm going to add is a Metallic Paradise by Orado. It's an Australian based paint, and to that I have added some Opal 2.0 powders from Win Modern Art. They're beautiful colour shifting powders. So as you can see, I've mixed that up in a cup, and you can see the beautiful colours in there. Just going to make it shine. So we'll add a good dollop of this. Next, I'm going to add some titanium white that I already had mixed up. I'm just going to pour some of that in there. Then we're going to add some this little piggy tail feather, which is a beautiful dark green shimmery colour. It's just fabulous. So we'll just add a little bit of that. There's no rhyme or reason, by the way. To that we're going to add some Deco Art 24 karat gold, and this is just a stunning colour. I've just mixed it with floetrol. Not too much, we don't want it to take over. Then we're going to add some black. Well, it's not really black, it's leftover paints, and so it's a sort of a dark grey. So just a little bit of black. Then we're going to add another This Little Piggy, and it's Simplicity, which is a beautiful silver, white silver. So we'll add a good dollop of that. Next we're going to add our Metallic Jade from Eldorado. What is it? Eraldo. There you go. Eraldo Metallic Jade. So we want a fair amount of that. We might add a bit more titanium white. And then I might just finish off with a little bit more blue. Hopefully I've got enough to cover it now. Well, I'll be mixing more paints up. So I might start this end. And now we're going to tilt it. Get some good coverage. Down there. Make sure his nose is covered. Come back down here. Ooh, not so easy to do. Hands in the way. And let's get that tail going, shall we? Here, and we want to get some coverage on the tail. Down on that tail. Come on. You know you want to. Yeah, a bit more, you can do it. There we go, let's put him down. Oh, he's looking gorgeous. Alright, I might just go through and go around and give him some more colour where he needs more colour. All around the edges. Make sure we get those edges. He's looking beautiful. Alright, look at him, he's gorgeous. I might just take my gloves off and then we might give him some embellishments. So I'll be back in a minute. Okay, I'm back and I think we're going to add some iridescent flakes in the mermaid colour, which I think will go really well. So make sure your hands are dry when you do this. We don't want a whole lot. I'm just going to sprinkle it down. Just something that'll catch the light. A little bit more. Beautiful. He's looking gorgeous. Those flakes will just bring out the background colour as well when the light hits it and just sparkle off the top. Beautiful. Do I want to embellish it with anything else? I was thinking of putting some some diamond glass on it, but I might do that when I do the resin stage. So I might leave him for now because he's looking pretty gorgeous. And I think that'll be it. So later on in the video, don't go yet, I will show you the dry stage and out in the sun before I resin it, and then I will resin it and show you the finished product. So if you like this video and you want to see more, please subscribe to my channel, click the notification button, give me a thumbs up to like the video, and look, leave me a comment. That would be great. I'd love to speak to you. So thanks everybody, we'll see you later.